Hi everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Jun Jie and I'm a software engineering student. And today in this video, I would like to present my final year project with the title SPES, Student Performance Evaluation System Using Fuzzy Logic for Teacher Analysis. In education, evaluation of student academic performance is one of the most important resources for student learning, teacher effectiveness, and professional development. Actually, student performance evaluation system has been used widely many years ago. However, from a research study, I found that the conventional student evaluation usually use a grading system which based on a student test or exam result without conducting in-depth analysis, and it cannot fully reflect the overall or comprehensive performance of students. In a research of Aziz and his member also mentioned that a proper evaluation method can ensure fair evaluation and the student grade should comply with their performance. Therefore, in this study, I propose a web-based student performance evaluation system that uses fuzzy logic, which is a form of artificial intelligence to evaluate the student academic performance based on 5 selected criteria, including classroom activity, classroom engagement, homework, quiz, and exam. The development of this system uses SCRUM as the project development methodology. And here, I'm using the small-scale SCRUM framework that proposed by Gang Karzik in 2018, and it's actually a bit different from the original framework. To test the system usability, an evaluation of system was conducted using the System Usability Scale with 15 teachers teaching in secondary school as our respondents. Then the response was collected and analyzed by using descriptive analysis. So as a conclusion from the result, it showed that the proposed SPES is acceptable and has no significant usability issues. Besides, there are also several usefulness in SPES. So first, it can be used by teacher to evaluate student overall performance through different criteria or student activity data without overlook the details. Next, parents can check the performance result of their child through the system. In addition, students can also view and know their performance result in the system to inspire their attitudes toward learning. Lastly, for the potential to be commercialized, first, we are a secondary school teacher. So SPES is suitable for any secondary school subject teacher who needs to evaluate student performance through student activity data. And another one is tuition center. They also can use SPES as an evaluation tool to evaluate student performance. Okay, so now let's have a look on demonstration of SPES.
SPES is a web-based system using fuzzy logic to evaluate the system performance through different performance criteria. So let's have a look on the system. Okay, so first, this is the first page of the system. Here we'll provide the searching function for public users like parents or students to search the student performance result that created by the SPES user. This page provides some description about the system. Okay, so for the first time user, we can register first, or else if we already have an account, we can just log in. This is the main page after login. For the new user, of course, we have to create the list first. After create the list, we have to add students with their personal information and their performance criteria score. So after we add a list of students, then now we can view the overall performance result that evaluated by the system. And here we have the average performance score of the class. In this evaluation part, the score of each criteria will convert to different linguistic variables for further process in system, and after that it will comes out with the output with differing level of performance. So the level of performance here is followed by poor, bad, average, good, excellent. And below here we can see every student performance with output. In the list, we can edit or delete the student data, and we can also update our personal information in the system. Inside the system, it also provides the search function. Okay, so let's say we have David as the input, then it will display search result. If we want to search more accurately, we can input the student IC. Then we can click on the report button to view the report. For the evaluation report, first we have student information, then we have student performance. Here we have activity marks and the overall performance that obtained by the student, and we also have the details of teacher who create the list and the report. Okay, so here we also have the comparison of the performance score of each criteria between the current student and the class. And last, if you are done using it, you can log out directly from the system. And the search function for the public user is also same to the SPES user. So let's say we use David again as our input, then it will display the search result. Then just click on the report button that you want to view, and it will display the student evaluation report that created by the SPES user. So the parents or student themselves can check and know the overall academic performance that evaluated by the system. That's all from me. Thank you.